Now this looks good. We're just doing the final cleaning with now a different microfiber towel. And as you can see, when we use the dish soap with distilled water, all the smudges, and the fingerprints, they kind of just manage to go. Most people don't realize this, but the way you're cleaning your TV screen might actually be damaging it every single time. If you own a 55-inch smart TV, LED, OLED or QLED, this video could save you from permanent screen damage. Before anything else, turn the TV off and unplug it. A dark screen makes dust, smudges and fingerprints easier to see, and it's safer. So what are the products that I would recommend you to use when cleaning your TV screen? First, you have household cleaning products. Household cleaning sprays, glass cleaners, multipurpose sprays, disinfectants, all of these are a big no. Most of them contain ammonia, alcohol, or other harsh chemicals. Modern TV screens have special anti-glare and protective coatings. Those chemicals slowly strip that coating away, causing cloudy patches, discoloration, permanent streaks, and in some cases, dead pixels. Your screen might look clean today, but you're damaging it long term. Other products you should stay away from are paper towels, tissue, and toilet paper. These are made from wood fibers, and those fibers are surprisingly abrasive. They can leave micro scratches on your screen, tiny scratches you won't notice immediately, but over time, they dull the picture and reduce clarity. A TV screen is not a window, treat it gently. Now, to clean my screen, I always begin with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. No pressure, no scrubbing, just light, gentle wipes to remove loose dust. Most of the time, this is all your TV needs. However, if your screen has fingerprints, grease, or stubborn smudges, dry wiping won't be enough. In this case, I use distilled water, not tap water. Tap water contains minerals that can leave spots or streaks on the screen. Lightly dampen the microfiber cloth, never spray water directly on the TV. Then gently wipe the affected areas in one direction. Now, some important warnings here. Never spray liquid directly on the screen. Never press hard. And never use alcohol, ammonia, or wipes meant for glass. One mistake can permanently ruin a very expensive TV. If distilled water alone doesn't work, here's the fastest next step. Add a tiny drop of mild dishwashing liquid to the distilled water. We are talking very literal, not soap bubbles. This helps break down oils from fingerprints without damaging the screen coating. Again, lightly damp cloth, gentle pressure, no spraying, no soaking. Now this looks good. We're just doing the final cleaning with now a different microfiber towel. And as you can see, when we use the dish soap with distilled water, all the smudges, and fingerprints, they kind of just manage to go. Now we have a screen, and when you're doing this, you do gently. You don't press on the screen. You just wipe gently, yeah, just gently, like circular motion, like so. Just do like that, and you see the screen now is so clean, yeah. So just keep doing this. You keep doing this like this, like this, like this, gently, slowly, no hurry. It's like this. You see? Come here again. Just this is kind of like rinsing, So just my circular motion. Just start from top, going down like this until I'm at the base. And now I go to the corner, this corner area like this, like this, like this. See? Like this, like this. So that this Sony Bravia is now clean. Now I have to clean the edges. You see these edges? All these edges like this. Even the Sony logo, I'll clean all here and here. Just clean the edges like so. Make them also super clean. You know, you cannot just clean the screen, then you leave the edges with all the dirt and smudges. So what happens is that you also clean these. You see even the Sony label, the logo here, this the name Sony is now kind of super clean. So you go on just cleaning them edges to make it super clean like that. So clean this other side just like so. Just the edges like this. Just clean them edges. Then I use the dry part like this on the edges and make them super clean. See, kind of like that. And I come also, see the bevel here, just also clean the upper part, make it super clean, so that the whole of the TV, the LED plus the TV itself, now looks super clean. Many people have been asking me how to clean a smart TV, LEDs, QLEDs, and OLED TVs. So it's kind of easy. All you need is a microfiber towel. As you saw the first instance, you just clean with the microfiber. You know, that one can get all the dust. But if it is so dirty and like this one, the way it was, you now resort to using distilled water. Clean it with distilled water. If stains remain, now you just add a little bit of dishwasher. A little bit. You see this one? Just a little bit of dishwasher. This will do the trick. So for this one, because there are a lot of smudges, you know, a lot of things, you know, because it's been like that for 7 years. So what I did, I used a little bit of dishwasher, and now the screen, as you can see, is super clean. So if you've not subscribed, subscribe to Ian's Gadget so you get to know when I post more helpful tips on all your electronics and gadgets. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.